One effective solution for this driver issue is to perform a clean boot. This is recommended because numerous third-party software products can potentially delete or render device drivers unusable. To initiate a clean boot, search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open it. Once System Configuration is open, navigate to the Services tab. Here, check the box that is associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If you find any services that are checked after this, click on Apply and then on OK. Finally, restart your computer to complete the clean boot process. Another troubleshooting step involves temporarily disabling your security software. If you are using any third-party security software on your system, you may not necessarily need it, as Windows Defender is a robust built-in solution. In the event that Windows Defender itself is flagging or interfering with the driver, you can adjust its settings. Open Windows Security, then go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. On the left-hand side, select Manage Settings in the right pane. Here, you will find an option for real-time protection. Turn this switch off temporarily to allow your driver installation or update to proceed. After you have completed your task, remember to turn real-time protection back on, as it is crucial for your system security. The final solution we will cover is reinstalling the drivers for the problematic device. This process is straightforward. Begin by searching for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and opening it. Locate the device that is causing the error. For example, if the problematic device is your camera, expand the camera section. Right-click on your camera and select Uninstall Device. This action will uninstall the camera drivers. After uninstalling, click on the Action menu at the top of the Device Manager window, and then select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will then attempt to detect and reinstall the drivers for your device. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.